Hey guys, this is Maria from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I will show you how to save TikTok video as GIF. TikTok lets users easily convert videos they like into GIFs. Follow these steps and you will figure out how you can do it. Log into your TikTok account and go to the Home tab in order to choose a video that you want to save as a GIF. Then press on the arrow icon on the right-hand side of the video screen. Go right on the bottom menu and click on the Share as GIF option. Now hit the Generate button in the upper right corner and wait until the video will be converted into the GIF. You can share the GIF via WhatsApp, text message, or any other app. What is more, keep in mind that the created GIF is automatically saved into your phone's gallery. That's it! I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to save TikTok video as GIF. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.